Ngayon, we're diving into the fascinating world of BU and CSSP. That's right! Kaya, ibahan nito kami as we explore the incredible journey of being a psychology major in Bicol. So ano, mari na?
Dali na!
Tapos na!
Mayang na! Tara na! University, founded on June 21, 1969 by virtue of RA 5521, was formally organized on September 22, 1970. Students in the university and its graduates are referred to as mga eskolar ng bayan but are commonly called BU-Wenyos. One of the colleges in BU is the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, the home of Phoenix. It has been setting a standard for almost 20 years now together with its 6 outstanding departments, including the youngest, which is the Psychology Department. This is Bicol University, where learning meets adventure. With diverse academic programs, state-of-the-art facilities, vibrant campus life, and a supportive community with our ates and kuyas and juniors that will fuel our academic journey. Bicol University is where education comes to life and your future unfolds.
Well, institution, Bicol University provides a perfect environment for exploring the depth of many courses. Siyempre, kasama ng psychology. Psychology ang pinili ko dahil sa tungkol sa mga adult. Sa tingin ko, marami rin ang mga
Si CJ, diba, it's really interesting to know about
Psychology piqued my interest when I sought catharsis from midnight talks with my cousins. Napakasaya and fulfilling and freeing na mailabas mo yung mga nararamdaman. And come to think, there's a profession for it. So I chose psychology. I'd be happy with helping people.
For me, feeling ko psychology ang pumili sa akin. Nag-outreach kami sa isang mental health facility and I saw the situation. It was very eye-opener for me kasi after namin na makauwi nun, a lot of my classmates were like talking about it, somewhat making fun of. I thought to myself, how can those people deserve that kind of treatment from others na hindi naman nila kasalanan na may sakit sila? Here in the Philippines, there is still a very large gap to fill with regards to mental health awareness. I think psychology chose me, but in the end, ako pa rin naman pumili sa psychology.
Thank you so much, Kuya and Ate. So, Alex, bakit nga ba psychology?
Because psychology is, as our previous professor have said, is a helping profession, and I've always wanted to help other people. Here's where the real fun begins. We're not just about hitting the books. We love getting hands-on experiences too.
Every journey has its destination. So, ano nga bang endgame nyo sa psychology? Ako kasi, gusto ko maging psychiatrist. Kasi I love the idea of combining medicine and psychology. Ako naman, gusto ko mag-PhD para maging psychologist.
Kasi I see myself teaching psychology.
Ako kasi, natry ko lang yung master and welcome. So there you have it. Because Bicol University is not just a university. It is a place where dreams take flight.
Friendships last a lifetime.
And success becomes a tradition.
So, join us as we strive for a future where understanding the human mind leads to positive change and better